All right, good morning, guys, and welcome to a new pre-market analysis. And based on the back of yesterday, we're diving straight into this thing here. So we're breaking below this. We broke below, I think, this previous day low. Yeah, previous day low got taken. So, and we just kind of follow the structure. I was doing too much yesterday, trying to see too much, and it's just not the solution. Just wait, patient, or don't wait too much, like just try. And that's what I failed to do yesterday, so that's what we're gonna focus on today. Now we can see we're setting up nicely for longs as well. Go below here. So for shorts, all right, let's break it down. Let's break it down. Welcome to the new pre-market analysis. Today is the 5th of July. And we can see that we if you look at the high time frame yesterday, it was quite not a large, but it was a strong but bearish candle. So that's good. After that doji on Monday, got a slight turnaround, and now Tuesday got that push down, and then Wednesday we were already pushing down, taking the previous daily low, taking Monday's low as well. And we might potentially follow this yellow structure. Now that would mean that we probably yesterday was our sell opportunity and we missed that. For longs it's a bit tricky because we have this bearish trend. We don't want to go counter trend yet, but on the other hand, we have some nice areas we can look to trade from. Hold on. But first of all, above this liquidity, above these highs, it's still valid to look for. This one, I think, this one was a 1 hour. Oh, I have to. I don't know what's it called. Like, I think it's a 1 hour supply zone. Let's just do it. Maybe the 1 hour supply zone. It's literally two candles, but we got that one above, and then we have this nice 15-minute one over here, or we can look to sell from, and that lines up with this bear structure. Overall, now I think we did reach premium with this one. No, we didn't. So that's perfect. So now we can just extend that range. We can look for Asia high to be taken, and then we can look for shorts. Long trades, you want to look for longs here. You gotta wait though. We need to see nice clean price action. In addition to that, we know that we want to reach lower on this most recent yellow range, or sorry, purple, orange range from this high down to this low, premium reach, continuation down. Now I want to add to that today we have high news, a lot of high news. OPEC is about the oil prices and how much oil will be bought, I think, or how much oil they will produce. Meetings are close to press, but usually talk with officials usually talk reports throughout the day, and a formal statement should. So actually, it's the end of the day. You will get a notification about the results, and we will see the price movement. Until that, nothing really. Well, oh, right. So if we look for longs, it is from this area, of course. Sorry, but it is a bit counter trend. So it's not ideal to look for longs here on our demand zone. Now the rules for our demand zone are the trading strategy, low tariff supply and demand. There we go. So ideally, if we have a 1 hour month and then we don't reach the 50%, we want to see a 50-minute break and then wait for the confirmation on the lower time frame, because that 50-minute break will probably cause a demand or supply zone. Now, if you do reach into that lower pricing, into that 50%, we can look for a 5-minute or 50-minute confirmation and then take the entry straight from there. So yeah, so we have this area. If it's valid is the question. This is quite correctional. This was not really impulsive. This is impulsive. This was impulsive. Now this is internal range liquidity, so it could be a nice push to the upside, liquidity take, and then continuation as we have the liquidity building up here. But until then, we mainly focus on this short because this is highest probability based on this range, and also with the idea of reaching slightly deeper into this light blue range. So that is my highest probability area, this one. Other than that, I would like to take longs from here. We are below previous day lows, we are below Asia lows, so the idea of waiting for a 50-minute break, that how do you say it, diminishes? It just, it's not really counting here because we are below old lows, and we can actually usually we look for like 1 minute and 5-minute turnarounds. Now with that 1 minute, with that 5-minute push here to the downside, it's not really convenient to take longs, although it would be very valid, but ideally we want to see those early buyers. We got some here actually. Go to the 5-minute, yeah. So we got our set of early buyers here. So now the only thing we need to do is wait 45 minutes until we are allowed to enter the trade. So until then, there's nothing there, but I would say longs from where we are now. Sorry. And shorts from this area. What does it look like on on DXY? So DXY is not ready yet. It would be shorts from above this high. Sorry, fuck. I know it would be shorts from above this high. This one didn't break above, below. So that one will be nice liquidity grab. We can see that we have a nice supply zone over here. So for DXY, we want to see price come above, and then we want to look for shorts, meaning that for EU, we gotta wait a little bit for DXY to come into that zone to give us a higher probability setup for longs. So for the longs, I will wait for DXY. For the shorts, I would look for this area on DXY. The long area would come from here. That's all right. Took this liquidity, then gave the move to the upside. Other than that, we just gotta wait. We know that we reached into that premium. Oh, it's already marked on. Premium pricing here took internal range liquidity, giving us a strong impulse to the downside. Now we're quite correctional to the way up. On the way up, we have some relative equals, or actually perfect equals, I think, or it just broke below, but yeah, it's not enough if you ask me. So we got equals there. So ideally, take out these highs and then give a turnaround, and then potential longs from maybe here. Be very nice. You take out those lows already done. giving us high pricing. And then potential shorts from here will be nice. But just like on EU where we have this bullish range, on the XY we have this high time frame bearish range. So we might just continue further down and take out these lows. Which would mean for EU, we just continue up, take out these highs. Now for GU, we have a small range today. We get previous daily lows up here. Down there, we got previous daily highs up there. We have Asia highs up here. Asia lows down here. Bullish break. That wasn't realignment. Another realignment. Now we're reaching down into this. Where do we want to go though? We could take out this previous weekly highs. That would mean lower pricing of the XY. That would be nice with those equals there. Take out these highs. We didn't reach quite deep into this correctional range or the impulsive range. We can see that we're lining up liquidity here. So it is a bit tricky, if you ask me. But on the other hand, we have this nice supplies demand zone here. So let's mark that out and see if we get a potential move from that. Not much internal range liquidity to it though, so that's a bit yeah, not nice. But get early buyers here for now. Not moving. Buyers. $50 there. At 50%. We are set at 50% of this 50-minute demand zone, so we can look for 1 minute. Ideally 5-minute breaks, especially after this push, but we gotta wait like 40 minutes still, so nothing there yet, I would say, on the 5-minute. For now, wait for a break above here before I look for longs, and then target Asia highs ideally. Of course, we can target previous daily highs following this structure, but we also know that we have some liquidity to the downside over here, so we gotta keep that in mind. I really gotta stop doing it with my nose. That's so annoying. Other than that, yeah, I would say lower pricing is also very valid. And we have this bullish range here, which we didn't reach into discount pricing yet. So although we look for shorts from this most recent demand zone, ideally longs from this demand zone, ideally want to see price come lower, reaching into the discount pricing, and then continue up. And if we continue up, we're looking to get into this area, the weekly supply zone. Then on the daily, yesterday was a slow day, and today we are still inside yesterday's range. So let's just wait for For EU. Zoom in. Longs from where we are now, but need some cleaner price action. This is not enough. Why this looks so much like buy? Longs from where we are now, and for shorts looking to sell from this area over here, and for GU, I would say longs from where we are now, and shorts from above previous daily highs. So that's pre-market analysis. Let's wait for EU to line up with DXY and then go from there. Right, peace out. Actually, yeah, you could take the risk and not wait for it to line up, but we'll see. Peace.